शिल्पा, मैं जानना चाहूंगा योग में आपका सबसे फेवरेट आसन जो है वो कौन सा है? इसके अलावा रोजाना आप योग करती हैं, और उसके अलावा योग के अलावा किन चीजों का ध्यान आप रखती हैं कि आप बहुत फिट रहें, फिट दिखें? तो पहले शुरू करते हैं कि कौन सा फेवरेट आसन है और क्यों?
देखिए, अगर आपको बच्चे को पैदा करना हो तो यू कांट से मुझे बच्चा पैदा चाहिए, मुझे 2 महीने में पैदा कर दो। इट्स लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन कि आपका फेवरेट आसन कौन सा है। सो योग इज एन अलाइनमेंट ऑफ माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल। उसके लिए एक प्रोसेस होता है, और अतः योग अनुशासन बोलते हैं। यू हैव टू मेक योग योर अ डिसिप्लिन, एंड अगर वो हो जाता है देन योग चित्त निरोध। तो देन they say that you will never have any issues. You'll be able to control your emotional faculties. So मेरा ये मानना है कि कोई फेवरेट एक आसन नहीं है। हाँ, एक फ्लो है जो मेरे लिए बहुत आसान हो जाता है, कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि चलो वक्त कम है तो मैं इस फ्लो को कर लेती हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत कवर कर सकती हूँ। और योगा सो फास्ट, तो आई वुड मे बी सजेस्ट और से दैट माय फेवरेट इज द सूर्य नमस्कार। तो उसमें सब कुछ आ जाता है, स्ट्रेचिंग भी हो जाती है, आप थोड़ा सा कर सकते हैं ब्रेथ पे, एंड देन यू कैन आल्सो वार्म अप। तो बॉडी पूरी मतलब खुल जाती है। आप 8 बार कर लो सूर्य नमस्कार तो you feel like your blood is starting to rush through your veins and you feel energized. So that is definitely my most favorite asan. मेरा मेरा ये मानना है, और स्पेशली जिस दौर से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं, इट्स अ वेरी difficult time that we're all going through. We're going through a pandemic. While we're going through these times, we're all putting up our most brave front. So I feel luckily for me, मेरे लिए वो जो prep हो गया था with the practice of yoga, and I think my sadhana has really helped me come out of all the issues that I have had. Because बहुत मुश्किल समय रहा है बहुतों के लिए. People who have suffered with COVID, families have suffered with COVID, people have lost near and dear ones, people have lost their jobs, people have lost their mental health in the process. और बहुत लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो शायद जानते भी नहीं है that they're suffering through maybe anxiety and depression, या कुछ लोग जानते हैं और शायद अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, कुछ लोग शायद दोनों कर सकते हैं, और शायद इस बात से डरते हैं कि एक स्टिग्मा सा है मेंटल इलनेस को लेकर, सो दे डोंट वांट टू कम आउट. सो आई रियली फील दैट आपके माध्यम से अगर मैं लोगों तक इस बात को पहुंचा सकूं कि विथ योगा न्यूट्रिशन, अच्छे न्यूट्रिशन का होना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव द राइट काइंड ऑफ सप्लीमेंटेशन, बैलेंस्ड मील्स, a discipline in your life, because everything otherwise goes for a toss. आपके sleep patterns अगर सही नहीं है, you will realize that you're not able to recover from the anxiety, you're not able to digest your food better. Sleep को हम बहुत underestimate करते हैं. तो मैंने बात किया है न्यूट्रिशन, योग के अलावा न्यूट्रिशन, sleep, and very importantly Ayurveda. So I am a big believer of Ayurveda. तो रोज सुबह सबसे पहली चीज जो मैं अपने मुंह में डालती हूँ is ghee and turmeric, pepper and saunt. Saunt is very good. So this actually butyric acid in the ghee actually prepares your intestine for you to break your fast. That's why it's called breakfast. ठीक है? So that actually helps you with digestion. The turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. It also works as an antibiotic. The pepper actually helps you digest that, and the salt helps you with acidity. A lot of us suffer with acidity. So इसका जो मिश्रण है, इसका जो amalgamation है, एक बार आप इसको लेंगे ना, it totally balances your Vata, Kapha, Pitta. So I really am a huge believer of Ayurveda. So I always tell everyone this. So that's the first thing. फिर मैं गर्म पानी पीती हूँ, फिर मैं ऑयल पुलिंग करती हूँ. तो मेरा बहुत लंबा चौड़ा प्रोसेस है. Because even with oil pulling, what happens is that it takes away all the bacteria from your mouth. It actually cleanses. A lot of people, a lot of you have a lot of tea, coffee, and it also sends ketones to your brains. So a lot of people who are suffering with Alzheimer's, आजकल अगर आप पूछेंगे, even the younger lot don't remember their own phone number. पहले 20 साल पहले मुझे अपना फैमिली मेंबर्स के, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के, मुझे फोन डायरेक्टरी की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती थी. Our memory used to be so good. So they say the more you use it, the better. The lesser you use it, the more you lose it. So we are relying on all these iPads and phones and all these crazy instruments, which I really hate in my life, honestly. I hate emails. It's madness. So I am just, so simply speaking, I think yoga, nutrition, Ayurveda, and sleep, and lots of water is what I pay a lot of attention to. And I think all of you, because all of you are also in very high pressure jobs, you know, these deadlines that you all have to meet, और ऊपर से आप सभी आजकल घर पे अपना काम लेके आ रहे हैं. So you know, the lines between your personal life and your professional lives have suddenly blurred. So it must be very, very hard for you to adjust with that as well. So it's important to take out some time for yourselves. Last but not the least, pranayama, to have control on your breath. तो आज जो ये हम लोग सेशन कर रहे हैं, मैं सिर्फ 3 चीजें करूंगी आपके साथ. बहुत लोगों ने किया हुआ है इसको इससे पहले शायद, क्योंकि these are just basics. लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि not just on yoga day, but you should include this as part of your life. Now see, Shivani is traveling in the car. Okay, आप जहाँ पे भी जा रही हैं, आप इस टाइम पे आप इसको कर सकते हो. Whether you're in the office, whether you are, because everybody has to commute, right? That much time you have to tell yourself and make it a discipline. जब तक आपकी जिंदगी में अनुशासन नहीं आएगा, तब तक आप किसी भी गोल को अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो अगर मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ भी हासिल किया हो, मैंने सिर्फ डिसिप्लिन के साथ किया है. तो अगर आप डेडलाइंस मीट कर सकते हैं, अपने लिए ये एक डेडलाइन कर दो कि 21st of June 2021 I have decided that now on I am going to take out 12 minutes for my pranayam every day. And you see, we will meet next yoga day, next International Yoga Day, and you will tell me thank you.
शिल्पा, मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि जो योगा की आप बात कर रही हैं, आप खुद अकेले करती हैं या आपकी फैमिली में भी आपने इस हैबिट को डाला है, बच्चे को, हस्बैंड, कि योगा, और अपने इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल में से कितना समय रोज देती हैं?
अच्छा सवाल है ये. मैं तो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, है ना. लेकिन I think in life one has to realize and come to the decision making themselves. आप advice दे सकते हैं. At the end of it all, it's left to each person to take responsibility of their own life. तो मेरे घर में मेरे पति को मैं पहले बहुत बोलती थी कि ये करो, ये मत खाओ, और ऐसे करो, और इतना ट्रेनिंग करो, तो कभी नहीं सुनते थे. इस लॉकडाउन में शायद उनके पास थोड़ा सा वक्त मिला, रियलाइजेशन उनको भी हुआ कि अब अगर नहीं करेंगे तो शायद कभी नहीं होगा. So he turned to you know, obviously training and eating right, and yoga भी करते हैं. योगा इनको, बल्कि when you do weight training ना, you're less flexible, तो उनको ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है.
Yeah.
So but the effort is on. My son actually, there's so many times I get so tempted to put out his videos when he sits. जब कुछ हो जाता है, अगर मैं डांटती हूँ वियान को, तो उसने एक बहुत कमाल तरीका अपनाया है. He goes away, he says, Mama, I'm going to go and breathe and come back. So he goes in Sukhasana and he starts to breathe. So I think somewhere subconsciously वो seed डाल दिया है मैंने. My mother-in-law practices yoga. My mother has always practiced yoga. My father used to do yoga. So yes, I think my family, and we, Samisha is just 1 year 3 months, and मैं बोलती हूँ, Samisha योगा करो, ऐसे पैर पकड़ के ऐसे ऊपर कर देती है.
So
So she
nice.
sees it. So it's become part of our everyday conditioning. So yeah. Moving on. Okay, now can we do the yoga practice? Guys, are you all ready? Just basic Anulom Vilom. Okay? And I'm going to help you all do even Brahmari. Brahmari really calms your nerves. And it's one of my favorite pranayams. You can start off every day with maybe 3 Brahmaris, going on to maybe 5 Brahmaris and even 11 later. Okay? So we'll start with Anulom Vilom. First, just clear your Ida and your Pingala. दोनों nostrils को clear कर लीजिए. ठीक है? You should be able to breathe equally from both. Okay. Now we close the right nostril. Okay. Take your breath in from your left. Hold. Left को बंद करिए. Right से बाहर सांस छोड़िए. अब राइट से ही सांस को अंदर खींचिए. राइट को बंद करिए. लेफ्ट से सांस छोड़ दीजिए. ये हुआ एक राउंड. We will do another 2 more rounds, ideally 5. सांस अंदर खींचिए from the left. बंद करिए. सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Breathe in. Close the right. Breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close the left. Breathe out from the right. Take it in from the right. Close the right. Exhale from the left. ये basic pranayam है. Wherever you are, if you're traveling, if you're in your workplace, do this at least 11 times. एक आप समझ गए कितना कैसा हुआ. You have to take it from the left, but leave out from the right. Take it in, leave out from the left. That is 1. So you do 11 rounds of this, and you will feel a sense of calm. If your BP is high, इसे करिए. Immediately you will feel, that your BP has stabilized. एक और प्राणायाम है. बहुत सारे ladies जो हैं thyroid के साथ जूझती हैं, and they keep asking me what is it that they can do for thyroid. Also, with all these infections that are going on, the first thing that happens with COVID is that it attacks your system through your breath, through your nostril, and then it stays in your throat, and then it goes down to your lungs. So if you do Anulom Vilom, you do Ujjayi, there is no way in hell it will stay, because you are cleansing it. You're cleansing your nasal passage, you're cleansing your throat. Ujjayi बहुत आसान है. This is, it sounds really bhayankar, but it's only the sound of the throat. Okay, so I'll do once. You see how I do it. You have to take a deep breath, but you have to make the sound from your throat. So it is. So a lot of you, if you're doing it for the first time, you will realize that you might want to cough. It means that maybe you have something in your throat. Cough it out, there's no issue. So we'll do this 5 times. Very simply, take a deep breath in with the sound. I want to hear everybody's sound. हाँ, तो ऐसा करो, तुमको जरूरत है. हाँ, you have to breathe in. Breathe in. And breathe out with the sound. Okay. ठीक है? Now breathe in. करो। हाँ
चलो प्रेशर का
मीना जी खांसी हो रही है ना? हाँ
वो एकदम गला चौक हो गया ऐसा लगा।
exactly, क्योंकि then it's showing you that you're obviously you need to clear
Okay.
your throat.
Okay.
You know, your ENT is very very important. So this is one way of doing it. ये
Oh.
strengthen करता है. So let's do it again.
Yeah.
Breathe in. One more. You should feel that in your chest. When you're exhaling, you have to, it has to sound like you are really feeling the breath cleansing your throat. And that activates your thyroid glands. Okay? And that balances your hormones. Okay? Now, the third pranayama, वैसे तो बहुत सारे हैं, but this is really one of my favorite ones. In this time where there's so much stress and anxiety, this is the one that really makes you look inward, that gives you a lot of calm, and it really aligns you. Brahmari has a lot of, it has truly the power to shift your focus. तो इसे हम करते हैं. जैसे ना, life is a journey between B and D, but the C is in your hand. What is B? Birth and death. C is choice. Choice is in your hand. How you want to live it, right? So we'll do this. कान को बंद कर लीजिए अपने thumb के साथ. Close your eyes, and you have to sound like as if a bee is humming. Okay? Take a deep breath in. And like you are saying Om, but internally. Take a deep breath in. Exhale with an Om. Take a deep breath in. Now, हाथों का कर्षण करिए. Rub your palms together. Place your hands on your eyes. Do it again. Place it on your face. Blink your eyes. Squeeze your eyes together and open them. Atma Namaste. सब लोगों ने बहुत चीटिंग की, लेकिन मैं आशा करती हूँ कि घर पे अपने समय में समय निकाल के you will give yourself and you will start this discipline of yoga. It will make a huge difference in your life, guys. And that is my gift to you on Yoga Day.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you.
ABP न्यूज़ आपको रखे आगे।